Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Tiege Hanley Level 1 Men's Skincare Kit. We're going to open it up, we're going to show you all the different washes and the care routine, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Alright, so as we open up the box, first things first, we're going to see a couple different product packets, and then we're going to have 4 different things that we have. First, we have our daily facial wash, our AM and PM, and our scrub. So, daily facial wash, this is a twice a week facial scrub that we're going to use, and then an AM and a PM. This is just going to be a moisturizer with some sunscreen. It's SPF 20, and then a nighttime facial moisturizer. So we're going to go ahead and try them, show you the daily facial wash example, and then of course, you know, all these things, we're going to be using these daily. These are going to be twice per week, but just a little simple routine for you. Again, this is level 1, so let's get to showing you how this works. All right, so the first thing we're going to test out is the daily face wash, and show you what it looks like. So we're just going to put a little in there. But it's like a cream. And that'll give you a better idea. Mix it with some water to get a good lather. Use on the face, get yourself good, and then rinse off. And when you're done cleaning your face off, you're gonna feel pretty refreshed actually. And it almost feels like I just put lotion on. So a really nice lather and nice rinse. So totally loving that. So let's go into the next thing. All right, so the next thing we have is the twice a week scrub. And the directions on this are pretty simple. So after you're done washing your face, what you're gonna do is take a nickel-sized amount of this and just gently rub it in. So we're going to demonstrate that now. So after again washing your face, get yourself a nickel-sized amount of this. Now this comes out pretty clean, but it's going to be something like that. We're just going to rub that in. It's going to be a little gritty is a better word, and we're just going to rub it into your face again. And this is a scrub, so get yourself in pretty good, and you may see it a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and wash. This is the next part of the routine. All right, so the final parts of this are going to be your AM and PM moisturizers. Really what you're going to do is take a small pea-size amount on this, and I'm just going to show you one example here because it's the exact same process whether you're doing it at night or in the morning, and this is a daily procedure. So again, you're just going to get a pea-sized, something like that. And the instructions are actually kind of funny. They say you're just going to rub it in your face and your neck in a gentle but masculine way, which is kind of funny. So again, just giving yourself a little bit of a moisturizer before you start your day. This is all after you wash your face, but before you get started in the day or after you wash your face and ready to go to bed, you're going to do the same thing. So make this part of your daily procedure, and again, these things are really great. They smell great and help you to take care of your skin a little bit better. So totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.